about the fruit of the Spirit.
Mauna itong isgutan bunga sa Espiritu.
There is joy.
Na ay kalipay.
People wonder, why is it that you're always happy?
Ang mga katawan, pati ka lang, ano, kanunay
Is it because you don't have problems?
Tungod ba kay wala siya problema?
You can tell them I've got plenty.
Makasulti ka nila sa hati kong problema.
But I've got a God who's taking care of my problem. That's
Pero
what
naman ko
I'm
ginoo nga mo sulpat sa problema.
So the fruit of the Spirit is something that must be seen in your life.
So ang bunga sa Espiritu, kinahanglan din na siya makita sa imong kinabuhi.
It is what guides how you relate with each other.
Mao na siya ang buhiyan nimo kung saan nimo pagtratar ang uban.
It is the reason why we cannot keep malice.
Mao na rason nga dili ta buhatag og malisyo.
Why we have to forgive each other.
Nga kinahanglan gyud ta mo pasaylo sa usag-usa.
And that is that the fruit of the Spirit is the tree of life.
Imo sa Biblia ang bunga sa Espiritu mao
It is when people see the fruit. It is when people see your fruit
Kinha makita sa mga katawan ng imong bunga.
that they will know that you are a Christian.
Mas sila makahibaw nga usa ka ka Kristohano.
Jesus Christ said, by their fruit you shall know them.
Imo sa Biblia pinagi sa imong bunga mailahan jud ka.
So let me ask you this question.
So pangutan-on ti ka karon.
You call yourself a Christian.
Gitawagin na mo kaugalingon na Kristohano.
I agree with you.
Uyon po nimo.
Whenever I meet people newly
Kanang kahit ako pa na ako naging
and they say,
na.
oh, I'm a Christian,
Namuingon sila on Kristohanon ko.
I'm always asking for them.
Malipayon ko para
I
nila.
don't judge them.
Dili na ko sila
I just
ipupan.
wait and watch.
Mutanaw na ko sa ilahang
Because I know it's only a matter of time.
Kay kaibaw ko, oras na ang mulabay.
Your fruit will bear you out.
Makita yun ang imuhang
Whether you
bunga.
are really a real Christian or not.
Makita nga, tinuwa ba ka na Kristohanon or dili?
So what does that even imply in terms of our ability to win souls?
Kada ba, pwede pala natin magamit na maka-win tawag ka na.
The first